Let's take a look at set operations and compound inequalities. Okay, so where are we in our outline here? We are now beginning section 3.2. Right. If we're to find the solution for the compound inequality x is less than 7 and x is greater than -3. Remember that the word "and" means the intersection of the two sets, or it means that the compound set must show the overlap or the common parts of the two sets. So these are actually already solved, so it might be a good idea for us to see each number line. So let's draw a number line for the first one, a number line for the second one, and then we'll have a number line to show the solution set. Okay, so both of our number lines here need to show the number 7 and the number -3 in number line order. -3 and 7, -3 and 7, and our solution set will need to show -3 and 7. Okay, so if we graph x is less than 7, well, this is the graph of x is less than 7. Start at 7 and go to the left. What does x is greater than -3 look like? Okay, well, greater than -3 starts at -3 and goes to the right. So what is the common part of the two graphs? Well, the common part is between, okay, if we could shade in the common parts of the graph, it would be this part right here. Alright, so we put the common part on one graph, and this is what it looks like. So that's our solution in graph form. Remember, in graph form, and then in interval notation, it takes off pretty easily from the graph and looks like this here. Well, let's do this one. X is greater than or equal to 4 and x is less than or equal to -6. So let's take two graphs, one for each inequality, and let's mark these in number line order, -6 and 4, -6 and 4, and then let's make a graph for the solution. Okay, let's graph x is greater than or equal to 4. So here's 4, and greater than or equal to looks like this, doesn't it? Takes off at 4 and goes to the right for greater than or equal to, bracket for or equal to. What about x is less than or equal to -6? Well, less than goes off to the left, doesn't it? Less than goes off to the left. Now remember, the word "and" says the common parts of the two graphs. So we look at this part and we look at this part. There's no overlap at all, is there? There's no common part. So we have nothing to mark on our solution graph. Nothing is shaded, no common part, no solution. Okay, no solution. There is none. This is the empty set symbol.